water?
Hey guys, Scooty won't be back. Just doing a video right now. I'm gonna light a flashing firework.
And set it next to it.
Actually, honey, I just stand it up on the driveway.
Okay.
No, not you, Jacob.
Okay.
I just told him to dip the hot part in the water and put it on the fire.
Yeah, just leave them just sitting in the driveway and then cool off by themselves.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, look at that one. Yeah. That was cool. So, this is what we're doing it.
Hey, you're not filming it.
Yeah.
Filming the ground.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna light a couple more fireworks. So, the firework I'm just gonna light. Don't press that white button.
You got it, dude. Aunt Mimi on the camera.
Where'd I put my phone? I don't know. So guys, right now I'm just going like this. Don't know what the heck it's called either.
Let me see.
It's like has like balls on the side right there.
Crackling cactus.
Okay, so it's called a crackling cactus. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna light it. You'll see what's gonna happen.
Is there any way to turn the flash up on your phone?
What?
Is there any way to make it brighter?
No, I don't know. Yeah, if you know, that's
Whoa.
probably over there. But yeah, these little things like blow up, I think. So when we do it, there's not gonna allowed to be just talking. So sorry, guys. Look what I'm lighting.
There's the mom.
I'm filming on What's up? And then that's his
That's Thomas.
boyfriend.
Thomas.
Thomas.
Forgetful kid.
Okay. Yes, that's cool.
That's the boyfriend.
I'm gonna light it.
All right, go, kid.
Dad.
Is it okay if I use
Portable code? It's one. Okay. Backpack.
You got it?
Yeah. Wow!
I got you.
Okay, that is the firework that I lit. Wow! That tiny with. Okay. That was cool.
Jason later.
Can you hold that to the firework?
Is this our his like full-time?
Is this the same video? No.